Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be showing you top 6 platforms you can make money in 2022 working as a freelancer. So the first platform is Upwork. So all you have to do is go to upwork.com. So if you don't have an account, just click on sign up and then you can uh, choose which category you want to work. So depending on your expertise, so you can go for development and IT. These are their top high paying jobs like crypto jobs, like mobile application development. So if you're a programmer, you can make money. Or if you are into logo designing, graphics designer, so you can make money under this category. So if you are a professional data marketer, you can also make money. If you know how to write and translate, so you can also make money. And some other, so you can actually browse and check some of these categories to figure out which one you want to go for, and then just set up an account, then create a professional project, and then you are good to go. Now the second platform is Fiverr. So go to fiverr.com. I'll also leave the link in the description of the video. So when you go to fiverr.com, you need to click on become a seller, and just when you click on become a seller, you can set up an account, set up your profile, and then create a professional gig. So gig is the service you want to render, so same as Upwork. So you can browse through some categories or services you want to render or to go for. Now the third platform is indeed.com. So this indeed.com, you can actually search for jobs within your location, within your city and state. So you can browse through some of the jobs within your country, and then probably you can try to upload your CV as well, and you can get more people, more clients to actually hire you within your vicinity. So the next platform is Breezy HR. So I'll also leave the link in the description of the video. So here you just click on start my free trial. You just create an account. So here you need to can find different jobs. Although they charge monthly fee, but you can also go through this platform. It's quite it makes sense, and there are a lot of people which are actually making money with it. Now the next platform is crypto jobs list. So if this is for crypto developers or blockchain experts, so you can actually make money and find clients to hire you for big projects. You can find companies to hire you, and in fact to retain you for salary jobs on monthly basis. So here you just need to search for projects which you are interested, and then you can find different and categories of jobs, then you can just apply for it. Then the last, which I'll be showing you for today, is crypto.jobs. So this platform is also similar to the crypto job list. So here you can find crypto relating projects, DAOs, dating and some others, blockchain projects. So you can actually apply for jobs here. So all you have to do is just sign up and then create an account, and then you can start applying for jobs. So with this platform, you can actually make money if you are serious and you are ready to make some money, some bucks working as a freelancer, and make money from any of these 6 platforms. All you have to do is to make sure that you work on your skill set and you keep growing yourself every single day. And second thing is that you need to have a professional portfolio or a resume to show your client. So and as long as you have patience and you are dedicated to making money online as a freelancer, With time you surely make the money. So if this video has been helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel and leave a thumbs up and share this video to some of your friends and family members so you get notified anytime I publish new videos. Have a nice day.